Hello everyone, we are making an educative video today and we are showing you all these different scarves and the prints that are on them and what the prints mean and the stories that they are telling. Enjoy as you watch.
We have these four beautiful scarves here. The first scarf is it's an adaptation of our Power of Love print. So what I did was that I edited the colors and I was very pleased with the way the color pops to give like a navy blue and teal, color combination. The other ones that we have are pink and black, purple and black, but this one has like the first green and blue for all my blue and pink lovers. So the symbols on it are still like the God's protection and power of love. Is printed on beautiful and very soft mink fabric, like you're hugging a puppy. So we have our power of love in turquoise or in teal or in blue. I really, it's like a nice combination of navy blue, turquoise, teal, bright blue, a little bit of purple. So it's a very beautiful burst of color. Now this next one that we have is the beauty print, aka Arewa. Arewa is beauty in Yoruba, so we call it the Arewa print or the beauty print, depending on how you want to, call it. So this one was from our Adire African collection. So this was from Adire African collection, and it has the different patterns on it. So the story behind this particular one is that women are the pillars and the beauty of our community. So we have the flower, like beauty flower, beautiful, and we have the comb. So this is your lace in the middle of the combs. So the combs, is for our hair to make our hair beautiful. These ones are literal pillars. Like this is the Yoruba representation of pillar. And then we have cowries because we use cowries to beautify our hair. When we make braids, we put cowries in our hairs for the braids. So this story is the Arewa story in pink and blue with beautiful mink color. The next one we have is the power of love again with a nice explosion of red, purple, navy blue, black. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. Like this was already present in cotton, but we made it on mink and then we made the color pop even some more. So it's like once you put this one on your neck, nobody will not say that you are not wearing a scarf. All right. Okay. So we have the next one, which is muted. So this one is from also our Adire Queen collection, and this one was the Unity print. It is the Unity print. It's just that we muted the color. The regular Unity print is black, white, and yellow. But then we muted the yellow to create this one because we want like a muted color for the minimalist African expressive people that we have in our midst. So for if you don't want like a loud, colorful scarf, you can always go for a muted Unity print scarf. And the story behind this is that art is the key to unity. So let me tell you about the symbols on it. So we have these scissors. This scissors is my own art. Is what I do. You know now, I yell it. And then we have this one, which is the symbol of compound. And then we have a broom. Let me look for the broom real quick. Where's my broom? Okay, but before we get to the broom, there is key here. So you see yellow and the key is in the middle. But the story behind this print, long and short, is that art is the key to unity. Or art brings people together. So this is our unity print in beautiful mink scarf. It's like you're hugging a puppy. I know I've said that before, I'm saying it again. It's so soft and it's beautiful and it's great for sensitive skin. Like I personally have sensitive skin, but I can wear this all day and I won't even notice that I put something on my neck. I'll just feel warm and nice and beautiful while being warm and beautiful. So I wish I could use all my scarves at the same time. Come get yours now.